Describing an animal. Hi friends, in this video we are going to see describing an animal. For example, we describe a cow. Let us start. This is a cow. It is a domestic animal. It is a big animal. It is brown in color. It is beautiful. It has small eyes. It has 2 ears. It has 4 legs. It has a long tail. It is shaking his head. It has 2 beautiful horns. It has 1 mouth. It lives in home. It can walk. It can run. It can jump. It cannot speak. It cannot fly. It cannot sing. It gives us milk. In that milk has protein. I like cow very much. Thank you.